Hey guys, it's me. Sorry for that. Thanks for all the positive feedback on the last video on how to open Chrome 2020 edition. And this is going to be a sequel to that because if you remember, I did tell you I'd help you download Chrome in the last video. So, um, so I'm going to help you with that. You know, so I'm going to help you with that. Sadly, I do have Chrome installed uh because I had to make the last video, but I'll be taking you through all the proper steps, um, the steps and procedures. So just follow carefully. So first, you're gonna wanna open Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge comes standard with Windows, um, but we don't care about that because we're gonna get Chrome, right? So you look up Google Chrome, right, or something like that, and it's gonna be right there. Google Chrome, download Chrome today, and it basically gives you all the steps. Like you don't really need to do much, right? Um, it it uh, it it does it for you basically. So it's gonna have this big download Chrome button right here, right? Um, okay, got it. It's gonna do all this stuff right here. You're not gonna want to click that because that's 64-bit. What we want is it's the same thing. Just click the one on the top right because that one looks cooler. All right, so it's gonna have you read all this. You don't need to do that. This is my third time downloading Chrome because I really like. Sorry, McAfee, I don't want you. It's my third time downloading Chrome because I really like. I'm just a big fan of Chrome. You know, I like Google. Google is a good corporation, so I'm just So then go ahead and do that. You're gonna want to download it, and I already have it installed. I'm gonna cancel that. I don't know why I did that. That was bad on my part. I shouldn't have. Okay, installation completed. Oh fuck. I mean, uh-oh. Chrome 2 install. Okay. This is now going to be on how to uninstall Chrome installers. So you're going to want to go to downloads, right? So now that you have it installed, you're going to want to go ahead and delete those. I also downloaded it earlier today, just because I like Chrome. Do I have anything else? No, I don't think I do. Minecraft. No, I don't. Okay, so that's how you install Chrome. Obviously, make sure you don't cancel it. That's just something that I did. You don't have to do that, nor would I recommend it if you want to have Chrome installed. Do not uninstall it or cancel it. But that's that. That's how you. Hold on. I'm gonna need to go. There's something going on. Um, but anyways, that's how you download Chrome. Make sure you don't cancel it. Like I said, um, that's gonna that's gonna be it. Let me know what you want to see next time down below. With all that said, thank you for 28 subs, and I will see you next time.